Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to create a photo album on your Wix website that's protected by a password, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to share special photos with your friends, clients, or family, but only with people you choose. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a photo gallery on Wix and keep it secure so only folks with the right password can view it. Let's dive right in and get started. First, it's important to know, as of now, Wix doesn't offer a direct built-in option for password protecting individual Wix Pro galleries, especially in Wix Studio or the latest version of Wix. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that works just as well. All you have to do is place your photo gallery onto a separate, dedicated page, and then protect that page with a password. It's quick, effective, and I'll walk you through every step. So to begin, start by heading over to your site editor and choosing the spot where you want your new photo album to live. Next, click to add a new page. You can usually find this in the left sidebar under Pages. Just look for a plus sign or an Add Page button. When prompted, give your page a clear name like Photo Album or whatever fits your project best. Naming your page really helps you stay organized, especially if you create several different albums down the road. With your new page created, the next step is to actually add your photo gallery. For this, we'll use the Wix Pro Gallery app. To get it, open the Wix App Market, which you'll usually find as an icon in your site editor. It looks a bit like a shopping bag. Once there, use the search bar and type Wix Pro Gallery. When you see it in the list, click Add to Site. In just a few seconds, you'll see the gallery appear on your new page. Now it's time to add your photos. Simply click on the Wix Pro Gallery element, and you'll get options to upload images from your computer or even choose from free stock photos. Take your time with this step. You can add, remove, or rearrange photos just by dragging and dropping. Consider grouping similar images together or adding captions. Little details like these really make your album shine and easier to navigate for your viewers. Once your gallery looks the way you want, let's move on to protecting it. Click back to the Pages panel where you see a list of all your site's pages. Find the one you just created for your photo album. You'll notice 3 little dots next to the page's name. Go ahead and click on those. From the menu that pops up, choose Settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add a password to your page. Enter a password that's easy to remember but hard for others to guess. Maybe share this password only with your trusted visitors. It really is that simple. And that's it. Now, when anyone tries to access your photo album page, they'll be prompted to enter the password before they can see those precious memories or important images. Just a heads up, if things look different on your end, don't panic. Wix updates its interface from time to time, but the general steps remain the same. Take a moment to explore if needed, and remember, you can always reach out in the comments if you get stuck or have any questions. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on creating a password-protected photo album in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using Wix galleries, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.